Hi Laura, hope you're doing well. These are the instructions for the pudding. Step 1. Mix the sugar, the cornstarch, and salt in a pan. Step 2. Gradually pour the milk over the mixture. Step 3. Cook the mixture over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 4. Reduce the heat to low. Step 5. In a separate bowl, mix the egg yolks. Step 6. Add and stir the egg yolks to the mixture. Step 7. Cook and stir the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Step 8. Refrigerate the pudding for 2 hours. Step 9. Serve and add some fresh fruits. Step 10. Enjoy! Okay, hope you enjoy the pudding. Say hi to the kids. Bye bye.